5 years. That's 1,825 days. And 5 years from now, your life will either look completely different or exactly the same. Most people stay stuck because they never make a plan. They wake up, go to work, scroll their phone, sleep, repeat. And then one day they look around and wonder where the time went. But the people who actually level up in life, they do one thing differently. They get intentional. So in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how to create a powerful 5-year plan that gives you direction, motivation, and a real roadmap to success. And trust me, step number 4 is where most people completely fail. Let's get into it. Why you need a 5-year plan. Here's the problem. Most people have goals, but no strategy. They say things like, I want more money. I want to get fit. I want freedom. Cool. But how? That's where the 5-year plan changes everything. Because clarity creates focus. And focus creates results. Imagine getting into a car and driving with no destination. You'll waste fuel, waste time, and probably end up nowhere important. That's exactly what life feels like without a plan. And no, your 5-year plan does not need to be perfect. You are not predicting the future. You are creating direction. That's it. Because successful people don't magically figure life out. They make decisions based on where they want to go. That's the difference. Step 1. Visualize your future. Close your eyes for a second. Seriously. Imagine it's 5 years from today. Where do you live? What does your house look like? How much money do you make? Who's around you? What do you look like physically? How confident are you? Most people never ask these questions. And that's why they drift through life reacting instead of creating. You need vision. Because when your future becomes clear, your excuses become weaker. So write this down. What does your ideal life actually look like? Not your parents' version. Not social media's version. Your version. Maybe you want financial freedom. Maybe you want peace. Maybe you want a business. Maybe you want to travel the world. There is no wrong answer. But vague goals create vague results. Get specific. Step 2. Pick your top 3 goals. Here's where most people mess up. They try to improve everything at once. Fitness, business, relationships, money, mental health, learning, social life. And then they burn out after 11 days. So instead, choose 3 core areas. That's it. The 3 areas that would completely transform your life if you improved them massively. For example, number 1, increase income. Number 2, get in shape. Number 3, build confidence. Simple, focused, powerful. And once you choose those 3 areas, turn them into measurable goals. Not, I want more money. Instead, I want to earn £10,000 a month. Not, I want to get healthier. Instead, I want to lose 20 pounds and run a marathon. Specific goals create measurable progress. And measurable progress keeps you motivated. Step 3. Work backwards. Now we build the roadmap. Let's say your goal is to start a successful business in 5 years. Most people stop there. That's why nothing happens. You need to reverse engineer it. Ask yourself, what needs to happen in year 4? Then year 3. Then year 2. Then this year. Then this month. Then this week. Because huge goals become less scary when you break them into small actions. That's the secret. People think successful people are superhuman. They're not. They just stack small wins for years. That's it. 5 years of consistency beats 5 weeks of motivation every single time. And remember this, your life changes when your daily habits change. Not when you buy another motivational book. Not when you feel ready. Not on January 1st. Now. Step 4. Build systems, not hype. This step right here, this is where almost everybody fails. Because motivation fades. Fast. You feel inspired today, then exhausted tomorrow. That's why goals alone are useless. You need systems. A system is what you repeatedly do. For example, a goal says, I want to lose weight. A system says, I train 4 days a week and track calories. A goal says, I want to become rich. A system says, I invest every month and learn high-income skills daily. See the difference? Goals sound exciting. Systems create results. And the simpler your systems are, the more likely you'll stick to them. Want to read more? Put a book beside your bed. Want to wake up earlier? Charge your phone outside the room. Want to save money? Automate your savings immediately after payday. Small systems, massive results. That's how real transformation happens. Step 5. Review your life. You cannot improve what you do not measure. Every 90 days, review your life. Ask yourself, am I progressing? What's working? What's wasting my time? What needs to change? Because your plan will evolve. And that's normal. The goal is not perfection. The goal is progress. Most people quit too early because they expect instant results. But success is delayed. You plant seeds today, and the results show up later. That's how life works. Imagine where you could be 5 years from now if you actually stayed consistent.
Think about that.
5 years stronger. 5 years smarter. 5 years wealthier. 5 years more confident.
Or
5 more years wasted. Because time is moving either way. So start today. Write down your vision. Choose your goals. Build your systems. And take action immediately. Because your future is being built by what you do today. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. And in the comments, what's one thing you want your life to look like in 5 years? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.